In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Ollama. Ollama is a great way to run local LLMs like Llama 3 directly on your MacBook or Windows. Firstly, download Ollama from the official website and open the downloaded file and install Ollama. Once installed, launch Warp Terminal or Perfect Terminal, then run the following command to check if Llama is properly installed. Now that Llama is installed, let's download the model and start using it. Open your terminal and run Ollama run Llama 3. This command will download the latest Llama 3 model. Once the download is complete, Ollama will start the model in chat mode. You can now interact with Llama 3 by typing prompts. To test the API, run this command, and this sends a request to Llama 3, and it should return an explanation, Rayleigh scattered. Just open your terminal in the folder where you want to create your project and run the following command to create a new NET console app. Install Ollama Sharp using and you'd get an open program.cs, then replace the contents with the following code. Run the program and you should see a response from Llama 3 model directly in the terminal. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.